welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to us all. May it be a blessed, may it be a prosperous and a successful 2023. I wish you guys all the best. So guys, if you're new here, please subscribe here, right here, click that subscribe button. Make sure as well that you hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. So guys, I actually wanted to post this video towards the end of December, but you know, man, things are happening in December. Like, it was just so busy. Like, you know, December is busy, guys, honestly. Like, I wanted to post this towards the end of December, but I couldn't. All the traveling, going back and forth, going home, you know, and my grandmother passed on, like, you know, just towards the end of December. She had turned what, 102 years old, guys. Like, she was, my sweet granny, like, she was old. She's resting peacefully. Right now we're really just celebrating her life instead of us, like, you know, just being sad. So anyway, guys, today's video, I wanted to basically share with you guys, like, you know, all the luxury items that I accumulated, that I bought. Why am I saying accumulated? All the luxury items that I bought in the past year, in 2022. And I'm just going to do, like, you know, a quick, like, you know, positives and negatives, pros and cons on each item. It's not really a lot. I have about 7 pairs of shoes and 2 bags and just some accessories, and that's about it. Like, you know, there isn't really, like, you know, quite a lot to share with you guys. So let's get into it. The first items that I got, guys, are these beautiful Gucci sneakers. This is my second pair of Gucci sneakers. The first pair that I bought, I think it was in 2018 or 2017, and I've since sold them because they were just, you know, too uncomfortable. They were actually, like, you know, a size small, and so I got these in a size 7 beginning of last year, guys. When I say these shoes are comfortable, I'm actually even thinking of going back to get, like, you know, a second pair of the other ones that have, like, you know, the normal Gucci the monogram. These shoes, guys, are super comfortable. These actually run true to size. I remember, I believe I got them for about 8.5 if I'm not mistaken. So these, the Gucci sneakers are still slightly, like, you know, less inexpensive in comparison to obviously the Louis Vuitton, you know, sneakers. So instead of going for the LV sneakers and having to pay 13k plus, I opted for the Gucci ones, and honestly, these are by far, you know, a best purchase in terms of sneakers. I also have the Dolce & Gabbana sneakers, which are super uncomfortable. They're just too thick and super bulky, and I don't like them. So if you were sort of, like, you know, on the fence on whether to get these Gucci sneakers, I say go for them. Certainly, like, you know, they are certainly a super great purchase. So this is the first item that I got last year, and I will certainly repurchase it, like, you know, over and over again. So I only have positives to say about these shoes, no negatives at all. Now the second item another pair from Gucci as well. I got these, I think, in Jan or Feb as well, guys. I'm obsessed with these shoes. I've worn them so many times. Now, I've heard people saying that they are quite uncomfortable, they are heavy, they are thick, they are this, they are that. Honestly, guys, of course, this is like a platform, right? This is a platform. They are going to be heavy because it's a platform. However, I found them to be very comfortable, guys. Honestly, I can't complain about these shoes. They are super comfortable. I've worn them so many times, especially, like, you know, when you go to you know, places like, you know, Xerox. Is it Xerox? Yeah, Xerox. I will insert a picture here, like, you know, where basically you have to walk, like, you know, through the bush before you get to the restaurant. These are such, like, you know, nice shoes to actually wear because, you know, because of the platform, obviously it gives you that bit of comfort, right? And it also doesn't dip into the soil or into the grass, unlike if you were to wear, like, you know, a heel or a stiletto. So these shoes also, guys, honestly, these are another great purchase that I love so much. I only have positives, you know, I only have positives about these shoes, no negatives at all. Now, next up, I have these Versace. Slides. I got these guys on sale. I got these on sale. I believe they had moved from about 14 to 7.5. I got them on sale, and guys, oh my goodness, I love them. I've worn them a few times actually, but I'm still obsessed with them. I just feel like, I didn't really get a chance to wear them, because by the time I got them on sale, I think it was already towards towards autumn, and I was wearing more of my Louis Vuitton mules instead. I don't know, I just felt like the Louis Vuitton mules are more comfortable, but now I've started wearing these shoes and I am super obsessed. I love them so much. So check out the Versace sale beginning of mid-Jan. Actually this year, mid-Jan. They usually go on sale like mid-Jan. Versace, Burberry and Jimmy Choo, they usually go on sale around this time of the year, beginning of Jan, mid-Jan, or towards the end of Jan. So I've got these on sale. Next up, I have these Jimmys. So I got these on sale as well beginning of last year when Jimmy Choo had their annual sale. Guys, what can I say about these shoes? I mean, look at them. Look at these shoes. Look at the heel. What can I say about these shoes? They are a statement shoe. Do you understand? They are super beautiful. They are very versatile, and because of this leather print, this is actually the leather skin. I don't know what fabric this is, but it's the actual skin on the shoe, if that makes sense. It's like the actual fur. It has that fur thing, if that makes sense. So it's not like patent. It's not the soft leather. It's the actual fur, of the leopard skin on the actual shoe. These were also on sale, guys. Got them beginning of the year. I love them so much. The negative about these shoes, guys, they can be somewhat uncomfortable, especially when it's very hot in the summertime and your feet start to sweat a little bit, so they tend to be a little bit uncomfortable. But other than that, if you are literally just moving from here, walking a little bit and going to sit, you will be fine. They are not certainly designed to walk around the mall. Don't try it. They are not as comfortable. So in terms of comfortability level, I would say 6.5 out of 10. Another pair of Jimmys that I got on sale as well. Guys, these were such a great buy. The original price of these, I believe, were 22, and I ended up getting them for 5.5 or 7. I'm not sure. But I ended up getting them for under 7 from 22K. I've worn them, guys. I've worn them to death. I've worn them non-stop. I usually wear these to the office because they're very understated. They just have this JC thing here and nobody knows what it is. I always feel wearing luxury to the office, guys, it's very uncomfortable because people just, I don't know, I feel people just perceive you differently and not in a positive way. I feel in a rather negative way. So I try by all means not to wear, luxury to the office. And if I do, it will probably be something that's, a little bit understated or not too in your face. So I've worn these the whole of winter to the office. Super comfortable. Now this heel, I certainly can walk around this heel. I remember I went to the mall this one time. I was walking around Clearwater in these. That's how comfortable they are. Would I buy them again? Certainly. 10 out of 10. I have only positives to say about these shoes. If you guys ever find them again this year at the Jimmy Choo sale, please get them. And they just have this Jimmy Choo. Can you see here? It just has the Jimmy Choo written there. Nobody can see it, so it doesn't really matter, right? Next up, I have my other favorite super comfortable pair of sneakers. So my favorites, honestly, in terms of sneakers so far, is these Dior's and also the Gucci's. I also have a microcross pair that I got, I think in 2017 when I went to Dubai, which is also super comfortable. And the rest of the other sneakers that I have, honestly, guys, the D&G sneakers that I have, I don't find them to be that comfortable. So that is why I'm I mostly wear the ones that are very comfortable, like these Dior's. I got these for my birthday when I went to Istanbul, Turkey. If you haven't watched that video, please do check it out. I shop like crazy. Anyway, these are another pair of sneakers, guys, that I'm currently obsessed with. I wear these a lot. I wear these usually like, you know, with shorts and dresses. Like, they are very, very, very comfortable. Do you guys see how dirty they are? Like, they need a little bit of a wash. They literally, like, they certainly need a little bit of a wash. I got these, I think they were 12. Somewhere there. I can't remember prices, guys. I'm trying to, like, you know, rush through the video so that, you know, it doesn't drag. And last pair, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, yes, so the last 7th pair of shoes. I also got these in Istanbul for my birthday. What can I say about these shoes, guys? These shoes, I think, were probably on my wish list for probably the last 3 to 4 years, and I only got to, you know, buy them last year. They retail in South Africa for 29k, but I got them in Istanbul at the Vuitton in Istanbul for 21, 22, somewhere there. Guys, these are my forever shoes. My forever shoes. I don't think I'm ever going to sell these, so I usually just wear them with this, like, you know, with the belt around it. Sometimes, like, you know, I just remove the belt and I just wear them as they are. Super obsessed with these, guys. Now we're moving on to the 2 bags that I got last year. So I also purchased this. Oh my god, the best fits in here. I purchased this wallet on a chain, like a wallet on a chain bag. I got this also in Istanbul for my birthday at the Fendi store, guys. Like, yo, the way I was going crazy at the Fendi store, there were so many things that I wanted, but also, like, my budget, like, didn't allow me to splurge more than 25k at Fendi, because I felt like I had already bought so many things. So this is another item that I had also been, like, you know, wanting to buy for so long. I don't buy things on impulse, guys, honestly. Like, you know, 95% of all my purchases, like, best believe, you know, wanted them for so long, and I've probably done reviews on them before even, like, you know, splurging or buying any of these items. Like, I always do my reviews before buying, so when I travel, I already know what I'm going to buy. I already know what I'm going to forgo. And of course, the 5% of the time is when I see something that I really like and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want that. But 95% of the time, especially when coming to bags, I make sure that, you know, I do, like, you know, thorough research before I splurge on you know, on bags. So this is another item that I'm currently loving. I haven't really been wearing it as much as I should. I've worn it apparently, like, I've worn it I think probably about, you know, 3 to 4 times you know, so far, but I do plan on using it more, like, you know, this year, because it's just so, it's one of those, like, you know, grab and go sort of, like, you know, if you're running errands, you know, it's easy, you know what I mean? Throw in your phone, your keys, you know, your wallet, and, you know, you're good to go. Now, another item, I'm not really going to talk much about this because I actually did a review on this YSL bag. Please do check it out. I will just link it below in the description bar as well. I did a review on this beauty right here. What can I say about this bag, guys? I've wanted this for so long. Another item that I've wanted for ages. So I'm not really going to go into details about this because I've already done a detailed review on it. Next up, another item that I also got for my birthday. So I got this jewelry from Pandora. It's basically just, you know, a necklace and earring set. I got this from Pandora in Istanbul. I just, you know, want to start buying, like, you know, proper jewelry. I'm tired of just, you know, buying, you know, those pieces that sort of, like, you know, turn bronze after a couple of use. So I'm sort of, like, you know, trying to stay away from those. They are cute though, so I'll continue buying them, but I will still, like, you know, invest in more proper jewelry. And I also got, like, you know, these Louis Vuitton earrings. I got these I think around May for my graduation, so I just wanted to spoil myself and just reward myself with something, like, you know, small. And I also got, I never showed you guys these, I got these from Net-a-Porter. These are These are Loewe sunglasses. They just have that Loewe anagram there. I think that's what it's called. The anagram, I believe that's what it's called. I got this off Net-a-Porter, and they have this, like, you know, this little, I think you just clip your keys here basically. So these are the shades. Super obsessed. I'm currently falling in love with Loewe, guys. I'm so obsessed with Loewe. I haven't, like, you know, shown you guys these shades. They are beautiful. They are stunning. I'm just going to keep them on. And lastly, I also got this belt from Celine. The reason why it's still in the box is because I haven't really worn it, guys. Like, usually, like, you know, I don't keep things in boxes. Like, you know, the only time I keep something in a box is because I probably haven't taken it out of the boxes because I haven't worn it. So this is the Celine belt that I also got from Istanbul for my birthday. So I initially, like, you know, wanted a plain black one, like plain black with the all gold, like, you know, buckle. If I ever find it, I think I'm certainly going to buy it. I love it. I'm obsessed with, you know, with that belt. So I think I kind of, like, you know, just settled a little bit with this brown. And also I felt like since I already have, like, you know, my black Louis Vuitton belt, I might as well, like, you know, just get a brown one instead of getting, like, you know, instead of just having two black belts. I wanted to say belts. So guys, oh yes, these shades, obsessed with them. No negatives, only positives. This belt, same. And these earrings guys were about, like, you know, 6'2" or 6'5". I'm not sure if, you know, there's been, like, you know, a price increase from the time I got them. I'm not sure. So you can, like, you know, you can just, you know, go try your luck in store. I remember I got them for, like, you know, under 6.5. And the shades, like I said, these are from Net-a-Porter. The one thing that I actually appreciate a lot about Net-a-Porter is just the fact that you literally, like, you know, all taxes, all imports, duties, everything is included. All taxes are included in the price. So it's different from the likes of Farfetch and My Teresa, where DHL will be calling you saying, oh yeah, you have to pay whatever for taxes before they can deliver your items. So I appreciate that about Net-a-Porter. So I got these for about 6.2. So guys, that's all I bought last year, 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I only buy items that I really love. I don't buy things on impulse, or I don't buy things because they are popular. I really buy things that I really like, things that I'm sure that I'm going to enjoy. Of course, sometimes, you know, I might think that I will really love or enjoy something as soon as I purchase it, but then I realize that, oh my gosh, actually I'm not really enjoying it as much as I thought I would. So, but in this case, with everything that I got last year, 2022, guys, I'm super impressed because I've literally used like 99% of all the items and I'm loving them and I'm crazy about them. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below. Also, let me know which of these items you enjoyed the most or what you like from all these things that I've shown you guys. And from the list from everything else that I've shown you guys, what would you buy if you had, like, you know, the money to splurge on a little bit of luxury? Which item would you go for? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will also be posting my 2023 luxury wish list video very soon. It's going to be a very realistic one and nothing unrealistic, super realistic. You know, we try by all means not to splurge so much and to just, you know, save more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Stay blessed.